This tutorial will cover how to configure funds. Funds represent the various ways that donors can give to your organization, allowing them to specify how their donations are to be used. To configure funds, start by clicking on the main menu, and in the Active Modules section, click on Configurations under Other Stuff. Next, within the Gifts section, select Funds to be taken to the list of currently configured funds. To create a new fund, click on the Add New Fund button in the lower right. In the resulting screen, provide a unique code for this fund and a clear descriptive name of what the fund is in the code and name fields respectively. Next, if you wish all transactions processed through this fund to be linked to a particular chart of accounts, select the account with the Chart of Accounts dropdown. If you wish all transactions processed through this fund to be linked to a particular account class, select the class from the Account Class dropdown. If this fund is to be considered for recency, frequency, and amount calculations, mark the Enable RFA Calculation slider. If this fund is to only be active until a certain date, specify that date in the End Date field. To lock in all donations recorded through this fund against a particular program or campaign, specify the appropriate option using the Program or Campaign dropdowns respectively. In the Details section, you can include a long description of the fund that can be used with placeholders in the donation acknowledgement process. Lastly, you can create fixed contribution amounts for the fund in the Set Contribution Amount section. Contribution amounts are similar to ask arrays in that they provide fixed amounts that you can use for recording donations entered via a fund and can act as suggested amounts. To add a new contribution amount, click the plus button on the right of the screen. In the description field, provide a clear description of the contribution amount that you wish to create. Next, in the amount field, specify the fixed amount that this contribution amount will be for. To alter the tax deductible value of this contribution amount, use the tax deductible fields to specify either the percentage or fixed amount of the contribution that is tax deductible. To delete an existing contribution amount, click on the Delete button to the right of that contribution amount. When you have finished configuring the fund, click on Save and Proceed in the lower right to configure donation acknowledgement templates for this fund. On the following screen, you will be able to specify the template used for the primary donor, soft credit donors, and contacts that have been tributed on any donation recorded through this fund. Simply select the template for each category that you wish to use from the drop-down provided. The system will automatically use these templates to create acknowledgement letters for donations recorded through this fund and make those letters available within the Send Acknowledgement screen. Please see the tutorial on sending donation acknowledgements for more information on completing the donation acknowledgement process. If you need to create a new template, click on the Create New button for the template type, and you will be taken to the screen to create a new template. Please see the tutorial on creating templates. If you wish to modify a template you have selected, click on the Edit Template button to be taken to the Template Edit screen. When you have completed configuring the fund, click on the Save button in the lower right of the screen and use the Back button to return to the funds list if desired. To edit an existing fund, click on the Edit button to the right of the appropriate entry, and the configuration screen will be opened again. To delete a fund, click on the drop-down to the right of the Edit button and click on Delete. Once you have confirmed the change, the fund will be permanently removed from the system if it has not already been used to record donations.